Welcome to this session on creating and managing material master records within the SAP ERP Materials Management module. In this lesson, you'll acquire practical knowledge and develop hands-on skills to effectively set up, enter, and maintain comprehensive material master data. Specifically, you'll learn how to input essential purchasing details, define precise storage locations, accurately configure accounting information, and establish crucial valuation and pricing data. Additionally, you'll gain insight into how these details directly support critical operational tasks such as procurement planning, inventory tracking, warehouse management, and financial reporting. By the conclusion of this lesson, you will not only understand how each data entry within the material master impacts procurement efficiency and inventory accuracy, but also how properly maintained records enhance decision making, streamline logistics operations, and improve financial control across the entire organization. To bring these concepts to life, consider a practical scenario from Pepsi's daily operations. Pepsi manages numerous materials, from the raw ingredients used in beverage production to packaging components necessary for global distribution. How does precise and reliable material master data enable Pepsi to achieve operational excellence, manage procurement effectively, minimize inventory discrepancies, and facilitate timely financial decisions? As you progress through this lesson, think about comparable scenarios in your own business environment. Which materials or processes might benefit from enhanced accuracy and clearer data management practices? Let's now dive deeper into how SAP ERP supports these fundamental business processes. Let us now create a new material master record within the SAP ERP system, ensuring a systematic approach. First, let us carefully navigate to the material master creation screen. Starting from the SAP Easy Access menu, precisely follow the designated menu path. Click on Logistics, select Materials Management, choose Material, then Master, and again select Material. Finally, click on Create General immediately, using transaction code MM01 for quick access. Now, let us proceed to enter the initial essential data. In the Create Material initial screen, accurately enter the following required details. Begin with the material field. Here, enter the material number. This material number acts as a unique identifier, crucial for distinguishing the material in all transactions. Assigning this unique number facilitates efficient tracking, management, and retrieval of material information throughout the SAP system. Next, specify the industry sector. Let us enter mechanical engineering as the industry sector relevant for our material. This choice defines the industry context and influences the available input fields and customization settings. For material type, let us enter raw material. The material type specifies the category or nature of the material. Selecting raw material clearly indicates that this item is externally sourced and directly used in manufacturing processes. Review your entries carefully and then click Continue on the standard toolbar. In the next step, let us select the appropriate views. Within the Select View screen, carefully select the following necessary views. Basic Data 1, which holds general details such as the description and unit of measure critical for identification, purchasing essential for entering procurement data, including purchasing group and specific order parameters, purchase order text, vital for clearly communicating specific instructions or notes to suppliers on purchase orders, general plant data storage 1, which contains essential storage details such as assigned storage locations and bin numbers for effective inventory management, and Accounting 1, which provides fields for critical valuation, and price control settings, essential for accurate financial management. Click Continue after confirming your selections. Continuing the process, let us now enter detailed organizational levels. In the organizational levels dialog box, precisely enter plant 1000. This plant number identifies the exact manufacturing or storage location where the material will be utilized or stored. Proceed by clicking Continue. Next, we will carefully input detailed material data across different views. Begin with the Basic Data 1 view, which captures general information about the material. Let us enter the following specific details. First, the short description. Let us enter pump gasket. The short description briefly describes the material, significantly aiding user recognition and identification. Next, enter the base unit of measure. Enter PC denoting piece. The base unit of measure standardizes inventory tracking and facilitates consistent transaction recording. Then specify the material group by entering mechanics. The material group classifies related materials, enhancing effective organization and systematic reporting. Now enter the gross weight as 1. Specifying the gross weight aids in accurate logistics planning, inventory management, and shipping calculations. Finally, enter the weight unit as kilogram. Clearly defining the weight unit ensures precision in measurement across all processes. Click Enter to advance to the next relevant screen for additional data entry. The purchasing view contains critical purchasing related details essential for effective procurement management. Let us carefully enter the following detailed information. First, enter the purchasing group. Let us input 01. The purchasing group identifies the specific team responsible for procuring goods within the organization. Next, enter the goods receipt processing time. Let us enter 11 days. The goods receipt processing time specifies the number of days required by the team to inspect, process, and officially record goods after delivery. Now enter the purchasing value key. Let us enter 1. The purchasing value key is a predefined code that controls purchasing conditions such as discounts, specific delivery terms, and pricing agreements. Reminder letter intervals and under-over delivery tolerance settings are automatically populated based on the selected purchasing value key. Reminder letter intervals indicate when reminder notifications should be sent to suppliers regarding delayed deliveries. Under-over delivery tolerance defines acceptable quantity deviations in received orders compared to quantities initially ordered. Click Enter to move forward. The purchase order text view defines detailed text information included on purchase orders. Let us input these essential details. First, specify the language. English is selected here. The language setting determines the language used for the purchase order text communication. Next, enter the long text. Let us clearly state the material supplied must be in strict accordance with our technical specification number X30. The long text entry explicitly communicates detailed specifications, ensuring suppliers meet exact requirements. Press Enter to proceed. Next is the General Plant Data Storage 1 view. This view holds important storage location details. Let us input the following specifics. Begin by entering the storage location. Let us specify the designated storage location. The storage location precisely identifies the designated storage area within the plant facilities. Now enter the storage bin. Let us enter bin location BL01. The storage bin specifies the exact warehouse bin location where the material will be physically stored. facilitating easy retrieval. Click Enter to continue. The Accounting One view contains vital financial valuation details. Let us enter the following critical information. First, enter the valuation class. Input the valuation class designated for raw materials. The valuation class categorizes the material clearly for financial accounting and inventory valuation purposes. Next, specify the price control. Let us select V representing moving average price. Price control determines how the SAP system calculates and updates material costs. Selecting V ensures the price updates dynamically based on actual purchase costs. Now enter the moving price. Let us enter 20 euros. The moving price represents the average cost of the material, automatically updating with each subsequent purchase transaction. Finally, click Save to finalize the material master record entry. You will now return to the SAP Easy Access screen. The material creation is complete. Notice the newly created material number displayed clearly in the message bar at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations on completing this in-depth exploration of material master records within the SAP ERP Materials Management module. Throughout this lesson, you've learned comprehensively how to enter and maintain essential master data, including purchasing groups, goods receipt processing times, detailed storage location specifics, valuation classifications, pricing methods, and financial controls. You now clearly understand how accurate material master records are foundational not only for managing effective procurement and inventory practices, but also for ensuring accurate financial accounting, reliable reporting, and strategic business planning. Moreover, you've seen firsthand how robust master data helps avoid operational bottlenecks, reduces inventory mismanagement, and optimizes procurement strategies, thus directly impacting the company's bottom line. Reflecting again on Pepsi's operational practices, consider how precise and thorough material master records significantly contribute to their global efficiency. Accurate records enable Pepsi to rapidly adjust procurement strategies, maintain optimal inventory levels, avoid production disruptions, and uphold precise financial control across their extensive supply chain. Now, take a moment to consider your own organization. Can you pinpoint specific areas where more detailed and accurate material master data could substantially enhance your organization's operational effectiveness? How might improvements in the accuracy of procurement and inventory data drive better decision making, facilitate cross-team collaboration, and positively impact your financial results? Keep these valuable insights in mind as you explore opportunities to apply these learned practices, thereby enhancing operational efficiency and improving strategic decision making within your organization. Great job.